In this tutorial, we'll explore the for-in loop in Node.js JavaScript. The for-in loop is a powerful tool that allows us to iterate through the properties of an object, which can be incredibly useful when working with data structures. So let's dive right in. Here, we're defining an object named student with properties name, age, and major. We then use a for-in loop to iterate through each property in the object. Inside the loop, we're using console.log to print the property and its corresponding value. The $property syntax is known as a template literal, which allows us to embed variables directly into strings. As you can see, the for-in loop successfully prints each property and its corresponding value. The output shows name, John Doe, age, 20, and major, computer science, which are the properties and their values in our student object. Now, let's look at another example using an object that represents a book with properties like title, author, and year of publication. Again, we're defining an object, this time named book, with properties title, author, and year. Using the for-in loop, we iterate through these properties and print each one with its corresponding value. The output shows title, The Great Gatsby, author, F. Scott Fitzgerald, and year, 1925, which are the properties and their values in our book object. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the for-in loop to iterate through an object's properties in Node.js JavaScript. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try out what you've learned with different objects and properties. Happy coding!